Hello friends, today I am going to discuss question answer of the chapter number 9 of Home Science book of class 12. First question, why are children, youth and elderly vulnerable? Answer, children are vulnerable because childhood is the period of rapid growth and development in all domain. Development in a area affect the development in other areas. All the children are vulnerable, but some are more vulnerable because their basic needs such as health, education, food, nutrition, etc. are not met. Youths are vulnerable because youth is the period of biological changes. It is the period between childhood and adulthood. Elderly are vulnerable because they suffer from different diseases and their defense mechanism is also weak. They feel lonely because the family members move away for different purpose. Next question, what type of programs are appropriate for youth? Answer, programs appropriate for youth are as follows. First is National Service Scheme. Next is National Service Volunteer Scheme. Next is Scouts and Guides. Next is Promotion of Adventure. Next is Promotion of National Integration. Next is Commonwealth Youth Program. Next question, what are the some of the concern with respect to the elderly? Answer, some of the concern with respect to the elderly are as follows. First is health. Elderly people suffer from different diseases and their defense mechanism is also weak. Next is loneliness. Elderly people feel loneliness when the other family members move away for different purpose. Next is certain disabilities. Certain disabilities occurs in elderly people due to their old age, such as cataract, loneliness, health-related problem, etc. Next is most of the elderly people are financially dependent on young generation. Next is reduce support within immediate or extended family. Next question, what advice will you give to someone who is planning to set up his or her institution for children, youth and elderly? Answer, we will give advice to someone who is planning to set up his or her institution for children, youth and elderly are as follows. First is develop knowledge and understanding about children, youth and elderly. Next is have undergraduate degree in home science or social work or any other social science. Next is these degree programs focuses on three vulnerable groups which are children, youth and elderly. Next question, describe the knowledge and skills you will need in order to pursue a career in management of institution and programs for children, youth and elderly. Answer, knowledge and skills are as follows. First is people's skill hyphen working in an organization means interacting with the people in different roles and from different backgrounds. So one should have fluency of speech as well as sensitivity to understand others' perspective. Next is administrative skill hyphen it involves recruiting personnel, maintaining records, buying equipment, renting space, etc. So one should have basic understanding of these issues. Next question, explain two programs each for children, youth and elderly. Answer, programs for children are as follows. First is integrated child development service hyphen it is of government of India. It is world largest childhood program. Its aim is to meet basic needs for the children who are below 6 years of age. Next is SOS Children's Village hyphen it is independent non-governmental social organization whose aim is to take care of orphan and abandoned children for longer time. In each home there is a mother who looks after 10-15 children. Programs for youth. First is National Service Scheme hyphen its aim is to involve youth in program of social service and national development such as construction and repair of road, school buildings, village pond, digging pits, etc. Next is National Service Volunteer Scheme hyphen it provide the opportunity to youth to involve themselves on the basis of part-time or on the basis of full day in the program of national development such as vocational training, etc. Program for elderly. First is Multi-Service Center hyphen it provide daycare, healthcare, companionship and educational and entertainment opportunity to the old people. Next is Continuous Care Home hyphen people who live in old age home but are seriously ill requires continuous nursing care